Imagine you're just having a nice day playing in 12D, and then you see one of your pipe looks like this. Straight off the bat, without any measurement, you can see it's crooked. A constant diameter pipe does not look like this. We can confirm this by measuring the diameter on both ends. And as you can see, one side is 313 mils, the other side is 293. Not only are both of these different on the same pipe, which does not make sense, and there are also non-standard pipe sizes. So it's all over the shop wrong. And let's see what it's supposed to be in the network editor. A diameter of 450 pipe. So well, we definitely have to fix this. And let me show you how you do this in 10 seconds. So you want to first head over to the Node tab in the network editor. Here you will see 3 setup panels available: cover, grade, and top. Now just for some context, these numbers can be different and is useful in modeling pit and pipe drainage system. For example, I'm showing you here a side entry pit. Yes, the one the clown with the red balloon hides in. So this is a vertical opening in the curb, and as you can see, the cover level, which is a structural consideration, is different to the grade level, where the water actually flows. A typical pit detail will look like this, but I won't bore you with the detail in this video. But in this video, we just want to model a simple transverse culvert, which is just a pipe with head walls at the end of it. You can model the head walls in 12D, but most of the time we just don't bother. So in 12D, all you have to do to fix your wonky culvert is just to set the cover level to match the pipe upward, which is the top of the pipe. And then you will set the corresponding attribute to match the one before it. And you will repeat this for the other node. So now if you do a quick measure, they should both be at 450 mil, which is what the pipe diameter is supposed to be. So there you have it. It's a very simple fix when you get told about it. And yeah, hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.